Hi friends, it's Kim with Sweet Daisy Creations. Welcome back everybody. It's so wonderful to see all of y'all. I've missed you so much. Well, you know, we had that big garage sale this past weekend. It was fantastic. The only thing that happened was we had a cold front that came through like Thursday night into Friday. So we had rain Friday morning when it first, we had maybe a couple hours to get everything out. Not even that long, maybe an hour to get things out into the driveway and stuff. But we had the rain. So the night before we had set up some clothing racks and stuff like that in our 2-car garage. I'm currently sitting in my 1-car garage because I'm fixing to do a little project. But anyways, the garage sale went fantastic, y'all. The rain did move through. It didn't last terrible long. We actually had a good day on Friday. A lot of people were here on Friday. We sold quite a bit of stuff, and then we did it again on Saturday, and we got rid of most of our big stuff. Basically, the stuff we had left over, we had determined is going to be out of the house. We didn't want to keep it, so we just made a bunch of bags and filled out the back of my car, and we took it to Goodwill. So anyways, it was all in all, it was a great garage sale, but boy, does it take a lot of work. I spent 3 weeks, I think, working on gathering. Well, gathering everything wasn't that hard. Pricing everything took forever. So anyways, it's over, and I'm excited that it's over because now I can concentrate on some other stuff. Of course, we're this weekend, actually coming up, this is Tuesday, we are going to be going to look at the land. We have determined that we liked the piece of land that we're looking at, but we haven't walked it. We didn't get out of the car that particular day. We had looked at another piece of land. It was hot, and we didn't want to get out of the car that particular day, and it's pretty wooded. I mean, it has to be cleared. So we're going to go out this weekend to walk the land to see if it, is it flat? Does it run downward in the back? How is the topography of it? So anyways, we're going to go do that on Saturday. My daughter is coming in this weekend, and she's just going to, hang out with us, which is kind of nice. So she's going to go out with us to see the land. We're also going to visit a home builder and talk to them about kind of what we're wanting and all that kind of stuff. And we're also probably going to meet and have lunch with my son. So that's this weekend coming up. But during the week this week, I'm hoping to get some things done around the house. I need to clean now because we had a lot going on. I have some other stuff that I need to, probably throw away. There's some things that my kids have with their names on them, and you really can't sell that kind of stuff. So that's going to have to go in the trash. But anyways, all in all, it was a great garage sale, and I'm glad it's over. To tell you the truth, I'm really glad it's over. It did take the whole weekend, and then we spent all day Sunday breaking everything down, like I said, and bagging everything up. I mean, my whole car was full. But anyways, today I just want to do something. I thought about this the other day. I was sitting on my couch in the family room, and I was like, I really should do something with that. I had this basket up in my shelving in the family room, and I was like, I really want to do something different with that. So here's the basket. It's just this basket. It was this color to begin with, this kind of light color. I did stain it recently. You can still smell it with Jacobian by Midwax. It's a stain, and I just stained the inside and all of it. It took me a bit to do it, and then because it's got all these gold little gold things on it. But anyways, I thought, wouldn't this look nice with some mason jars in it? And it worked out good because, for Amy's graduation, I had all these mason jars that I did. If you remember, I decorated them all up and stuff, and we used them for sunflowers. Well, they're these big ones. I think they're quart size, but they fit in here perfect. 3 of them will fit perfect. And I thought, wouldn't that be nice to have these for changing in the seasons? Like in the spring, have some dogwood in them, or just during normal time having, lamb's ear or some eucalyptus or whatever, I want to put in them. But I thought it would be a nice little, easy thing you could put on a table, on a side table, on your sofa table, wherever. I just thought it would be cute. So today we're just going to spray paint these. I have bought, and I get this, where did I put it? I get this Rust-Oleum linen white chalked paint. Oh, my paper just got here. Lady Drillers, the paper just came by. It is morning here. It's like, what time is it? It's not even 8 o'clock yet. It's like 7:40. It's really early in the morning. My husband just left for work a little while ago. Anyways, it's this linen white chalked, Rust-Oleum chalked paint, and I get this at Walmart, and I love it. But anyways, I'm just gonna spray this stuff, and I thought we'd just chit-chat while I do that. I've got my mat here. I've got a, what do you call it? It's the drop cloth. I have a drop cloth, you know, like the ones people use for curtains. I've got one that we bought it a while back when we were working on the my dining room table, and we were doing all the painting of the legs and stuff like that. We needed a drop cloth, so I bought that then. And this thing, I've used it 100 million times, it seems like. It's got black on it right now. When I did those lanterns and I painted them black, you know. And so, I mean, I've got white paint on here, white and black, and a little bit of gray. It's because I did spray paint something for Amy's dorm. But anyways, let's get started on this, and I'll just kind of talk to you about other things. We are, like I said, going to go look at the land this weekend, and I'm going to turn you so you can see what I'm doing. So here's my jars, and there's the outside. I'm just going to do one of these at a time, try to spray it. But I think they're going to look really cute in here. I mean, this basket, I mean, I've had it forever, and I had some ivy in it. But anyways, I'm just going to turn these upside down and just do one coat while I'm talking to you. I want to say one of these feels like it's been used. Maybe this one, I'm not sure. I'll have to shake it up. Oh, now, of course, I probably need a... Oh, I thought I was going to need like a screwdriver or something to get these open. Anyways, this paint is so good, and I love the way it works. Now, it's kind of humid today, so I'm going to have to be careful and just do light coats. I'm going to have to stand up to get the other side. But anyways, I am going to walk you through the house probably here soon and kind of show you all the things the realtor wants us to do, which I've kind of talked about it. Okay, there's one. I'm only going to do one coat right now because it's, like I said, it's really sticky out. But anyways, we're going to get started on all that stuff as soon as we decide that that is the land we want, because we'll have to get like a home equity loan to pay for it and to do all the work we have to do around the house. So I'll kind of walk you through that. I'll probably do that this week. Show you all the different things we have to do. Aren't they looking good? Now, granted, like I said, I'm gonna have to do 2 coats, and I don't want them to be runny. So, where can I set this other one? I'm also gonna come down the street. It's gonna be kind of. We're gonna have rain. I think it's supposed to rain tonight, because we're going to have a front come through again. But this is called linen white. I like how it looks. It's not a super bright white. And it works on glass just fine. Okay, well, I guess that's it. I don't want to do any more right now. Let me get sat back down. We'll chit-chat for a second. But I think that those are going to look great, don't you think? I know the lighting's a little bad. I think those are going to look really pretty in there. And I can just see them, you know, sitting in here with, you know, some dogwood in them, or even like hydrangeas would be really pretty. Like I have some hydrangeas that I bought. I got them at Dollar General last fall when they were on sale. But I don't think I have but just 2 of them. I don't think I have 3. Anyways, but that would be pretty too. But anyway, so that what I was going to do that. And I'm going to take you around the house like I told you the other probably one day this week. And also, I think I'm going to take down my fall stuff that's in my entryway and decorate it for Halloween just for the 2 weeks. Since Halloween's just around the corner, but I thought it'd be fun, so I do that, and I think I'll do that on video too, just show you how I decorate my entryway in the house. I'm not going to decorate my outside or anything like that for Halloween. Just the inside, just so I can enjoy it for 2 weeks or so. So I'll have to get up in the attic and pull it down. It is warm in here. It is supposed to be like 90 degrees today. Can you believe it? And then that front's going to come in, and it's supposed to be down in the 60s, and maybe not even get out of the 60s, or down in, I don't know how the overnight temperature will be, but that front's supposed to come through tonight, I think. I think that spray paint's getting to me. It's warm in here. Really warm in this garage. But this is usually where I do all my painting, you know, if I'm going to do any kind of painting. I am going to be working on cleaning my cabinets. As far as I'm going to use, what are they called? What's that stuff called? Well, I don't remember what it's called. Anyways, it's that stuff you use on wood cabinets. Y'all will remind me. Anyways, I have some in the cabinet. Anyways, I'm going to be cleaning my cabinets off so they look better and stuff like that. I mean, this is stuff all over the, time, because it's probably going to be, to build the house and do all that stuff. It's probably going to be a process of about a year, or at least 8 months or so, because we're not probably going to list this house till probably in the spring, or maybe March, sometime in late March, or maybe February, March. I'm not quite sure, but sometime in that frame. But we got to do all the things we got to do around here first. So getting the wallpaper down. So I'm going to head out today actually to Home Depot to buy one of those Wagner Pro Steamer things that's supposed to help you get your wallpaper off. I did use my handheld little like clothing steamer and tried it, and I got a part of it off in the bathroom, and it worked pretty good actually. Actually even got the pasty part off, which was surprising, but it worked really good. But anyways, I got like 100 things running through my mind of all the stuff we have to do, for getting ready to put this house on the market, get our new house started, all that kind of good thing. But if we go out to the land, maybe I'll video a little bit. I mean, it's not like you're going to be seeing much except a bunch of trees because it's very wooded. But maybe I'll do a little video, and if I can remember to do it, I'll be with my family. My husband and my daughter will be with me. So, but maybe we'll do that. I'm not quite sure, but I have missed y'all so much. It's just there's been so much going on that I just didn't have time to pick up the camera and do some videoing. But anyways, I think these are going to be pretty when I get done with them, and hopefully they'll dry pretty quickly because I'm going to have to put another coat on them. But anyways, I just wanted to get on here and say hello. I will be back this week. I'm going to try to get back to a regular schedule of doing videos. So we're going to do a walkthrough of the house, like I said. And not the whole house. It's just basically some areas that we're going to need to fix and, and put new lighting in and new faucets and things of that nature. Other parts of the house are fine. At some point, I'm going to have to take down my fall decor and get ready for Christmas. I can't believe November is just a couple of weeks away, y'all. Unbelievable. The time is flying like crazy, isn't it? And I'm sorry my lighting's not very good, and I'm like sweating to death here. It's warm. But anyways, I guess that's it for now. I hope you like the jars. I think they're going to look really pretty inside my thing. With the dark, with the white. Don't you think that'll look nice? I think so. Anyways, y'all take care. I love you. Mwah. And I hope you have a fantastic day today. And I will be back, like I said, with another video this week. And I'll see you then. Bye. Mwah. Take care, everyone.